Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips with PowerVision and the PowerRay. Today I'm going to teach you the two different ways that you can unlock the motors. The one thing that you really need to remember is that when the vehicle is out of the water, the motors will not unlock. Once it hits the water and it knows that it's in the water, the motors will unlock for sure and lock. You want to definitely lock them before you pull it out of the water. You don't want to burn up any of the bearings in there or seize the engine. So let's get right into it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you the two different ways of unlocking and locking the motors. The first way is through the transmitter remote control. What you're going to do is take your left dial right here and you're going to push it all the way to the right. And then at the same time you're going to go ahead and push the fish finder sonar button until it buzzes. It buzzed. That means now the motors are unlocked. Obviously, if it was in water, they'd be unlocked, but because we're on land right now, it will not lock. And the way to lock the motors would be the same thing, but opposite. You'd pull the dial to your left, hold down the button until it buzzes, and you're good to go on your motors being locked. The next thing that we could do is you can also do it on the app. Up here in the corner, you're gonna see a little lock. If you hit that lock, a little green slider button is going to show up. And once you have the PowerRay in the water, you're going to go ahead and slide that button over to the side and boom, now you're going to be unlocked. And if you wanted to lock, the same thing, you would hit that, a yellow button would pop up, you'd slide that to the side, and now you're locked. So it's very important to remember whenever you're in the water to keep the motors unlocked, and when you're about to pull the drone or the submersible out of the water, you're going to want to lock the motors so that you do not blow a bearing or seize the motors. This has been another Quick Tips from PowerVision on the PowerRay. We'll see you guys next time.